Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your Robinhood wallet address. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first you will need to have already your Robinhood wallet that will be set up. And basically for that, you can either do it from your web app or you can do it from your mobile application. And basically all you will need to do is just to go to your Play Store or App Store and then you will need to get your Robinhood wallet, of course. And now, after that you have your wallet, you will be creating a new wallet so you can start having your crypto stock there or that will be added into your wallet. And simply now to find your address, all you need to do is just to go to the receiving option of your crypto. For example, you can go to the invest page or the investing or crypto so you can find your cryptocurrency. So for example, here I have the Bitcoin and simply when you go here, you will be able to see that you can receive. So you will have two options. You will have the option to send crypto and the option to receive. And when you click on receive, you will have a QR code that will be prompted there. And basically by clicking on the QR code, you will find either the ability to scan the QR code to if to execute the order, or you can simply copy the address that you will find beneath or below the QR code. So basically that would be your wallet address and you will be able to start receiving your crypto through this address. And basically this is how you can find it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.